Mahavira the Mathematician. He was born in Mysore during the 9th century. He was patronized by the Rashtrakuta Emperor Amogha Varsha. He authored the book Ganita Sangraha, which was a gist of maths in 1850 CE. He is highly respected for his terminology of geometric shapes. He has written more than 1100 slokas on different topics of maths. He discovered algebraic identities, found out the formula for NCR, devised a formula which approximated the area and perimeters of ellipses, and most importantly, rules of decomposition. He focused on using highly syncopated notation necessary to solve algebraic problems. His influential work on maths spread across southern India and inspired others. His arithmetic works include decimal place value system. He separated astrology from maths. He gave systematic rules for expressing a fraction